Nobody plans for the mornings coaching doesn't happen, but here's what happens when it does. Teams coached weekly hit quota 76% of the time. Drop that to monthly coaching and it falls to 56% quarterly or less, 47, same team, same offer, a 29-point swing. So why doesn't it happen? 73% of managers coach under 30 minutes per rep per week. You're not skipping it because you don't care. You're running client accounts, approving creative, closing your own deals. 2, a short spoken briefing before their first call in their own ears every morning automatically. 3, built from their data, not a generic pep talk. Today's calls, pace to goal, the one lever to push today. 4, you stay the coach. You just stop being the only line of defense against a day nobody set direction for. Return to source, close from certainty.